Welcome to Beautyistic, where we bring you the inside scoop on everything beauty related. Today, we're diving into a product that promises to give you a natural flush of color without any fuss, e.l.f. Sheer For It Blush Tint. It's a multi-use, long-lasting lip and cheek tint that's designed to deliver that perfect pink glow, and we're here to see if it truly lives up to the hype. Now, let's talk about what you're getting here. The e.l.f. Sheer For It Blush Tint is a versatile product that works both as a blush and a lip tint. It's a sheer formula that's buildable, meaning you can layer it up for more intensity or keep it light for a natural, fresh-faced look. The real star here is its hydrating, watery texture that blends effortlessly into the skin, giving you a transfer-resistant finish. Thanks to key ingredients like hyaluronic acid, it promises to hydrate your lips and cheeks while delivering that gorgeous flush. I'll admit, when I first tried this, I was excited about its easy application. The formula feels lightweight on the skin, which makes it comfortable for long wear. I applied it in the morning, and it stayed put through lunch, keeping my cheeks and lips looking fresh and dewy. I tried it with a couple of different makeup looks, and I was impressed with how well it blended with both light and full coverage foundations. Now, let's break down the pros and cons based on my real-life experience. On the plus side, the tint's buildable nature is a game changer. I love that I can adjust the intensity based on how bold I want my blush or lips to look. The hydrating formula was also a standout for me, especially for someone who has dry skin and often needs a little extra moisture in my makeup. It really does keep the skin feeling fresh without looking patchy. Plus, the fact that it's vegan and cruelty-free? Huge win. On the flip side, I did notice that the color fades slightly towards the end of the day, especially if you're constantly eating or drinking. While it does leave behind a nice stain, it doesn't have that same pop of fresh color after several hours. Also, if you have deep skin tones, the pink might be a bit too subtle unless you layer it, so keep that in mind. In terms of value for money, this product is definitely on the affordable side, and I'd say it's pretty worth it. You're getting a long-lasting product with hydrating benefits, which is quite a lot for the price. While it doesn't completely outshine other lip and cheek tints, the hydrating aspect makes it stand out among similar products in this price range. If you're looking for something that does a little bit of everything, without breaking the bank, this could be your new go-to. When it comes to alternatives, there are a few other multi-use tints that can rival this one. However, if you're after something with a little more punch in terms of pigmentation or a longer-lasting formula, you might want to look into something like the Glossier Cloud Paint or Benefit's Benetint. But if you're on a budget or prefer a more subtle look, this e.l.f. blush tint is a fantastic choice. Build quality-wise, I found the packaging to be functional and compact, easy to throw in a purse or makeup bag for quick touch-ups. It feels sturdy, but I wouldn't say it's anything extraordinary. Still, for the price, it's exactly what I'd expect from a drugstore brand. So, would I recommend this product? Absolutely, but with a slight caveat. If you're someone who wants a natural, dewy flush and doesn't mind reapplying once in a while, this is perfect. It's simple, effective, and easy to use, making it ideal for beginners or anyone looking for that no-fuss glow. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for tuning in today. If you've used this product or any other e.l.f. products, drop a comment below and share your thoughts. I love hearing about your experiences. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.